Can I have your attention, please? For those homeowners who are looking to create a dream home without breaking the bank, please watch this video immediately. This is the call for homeowners who are looking to renovate their home. walao，叫我穿到这样很不自在咯。
Action!
Hello， 大家好 ，My name is Jayner, but people usually call me 巧儿。You may have seen me on my Facebook Live with my 师傅王雷。Tell you all a secret. Many people knew that I was once an air stewardess, but not many people knew that I was an interior designer before. As homeowners, I understand that homes are not built in a day. But as an ex-interior designer, I also understand that building your dream home from scratch is an overwhelming yet rewarding experience. However, starting from zero is very daunting. If you are a homeowner, I'm sure you hear me. Now let me share with you some tips why some people are able to keep their budget in check for their renovation, whereas others have to worry about busting their budget when renovating their dream home. Back in the days when I was an interior designer, I had already known of this popular renovation platform called Renopedia. Renopedia is the #1 online renovation media platform for homeowners to source out interior designers from the comfort of their homes without having to break a sweat and manually sourcing for every possible interior design companies out there. When I checked out this website for the first time, wow, I was amazed! This platform features many home inspiration ideas through their blogs, photos, and videos. And till date, Renopedia have produced more than 1,000 interior design blogs and 2,000 interior design videos. Not only this, with over 200 interior design firms and over 50 unique home product merchants, you'll never have to worry about not being able to source for an interior design firm ever again. Renopedia is also recommended by local celebrities such as Li Nansing, Constance Song, Paul Foster, and of course, my 师傅 Wang Lei. I was also amazed that this platform, Renopedia, is able to assist homeowners to reduce their renovation costs and at the same time, recommend the right interior designer for their homeowners. You think this is the end? No! You will still stand a chance to win up to $50,000 through their lucky draw contest. Your dream home can also be built on a budget. Renopedia, the #1 online renovation media. Sign up now by clicking the link below.